Alright, we have the Plates and Patches 2011 box break. As you can see, we're sealed all the way around. We'll get you a serial number here. 463-795-468-273. Have your names in the randomizer ready to go. So here we are. We have leverage 3 times, pinza twice, 2673 manual once, and trimixallen twice. Randomize these 5 times. So here we go, we got leverage on top, 2673 on bottom, leverage on top, try on bottom. Third time we have pins on top, manual on bottom, 4 pins on top, pins on bottom. Fifth and final time, try on top and leverage on bottom. So now we'll go back to the randomizer and get the divisions. So we got AFC East, AFC North, AFC South, AFC West, NFC East, NFC North, NFC South, and NFC West. 5 times on these also. Here we go. Here's our first time. We got NFC West on top and NFC East on bottom. Our second time, AFC North on top, AFC West on bottom. Third, AFC North on top, NFC South on bottom. 4, AFC East on top, NFC South on bottom. And fifth and final time, we have NFC North on top and AFC North on bottom. So here will be your divisions. We have trimixallen. You have NFC North. Leverage, AFC East. Pinza, NFC East. Trimixallen, NFC West. Manual, NFC South. Pinza, AFC South. Leverage with the AFC West, and then the AFC North. So here's our box again. Plates and Patches 2011. Here's our time. It's 12:48 Mountain Time. It's Thursday, July 11th. So here we go, everybody. And good luck. We got a checklist. There's our box, empty box here. And here we go. Empty box again here. So get the base off the bottom here. Okay, our first card is going to be for the Oakland Raiders. We have Rookie Blitz, Taiwan Jones. Number on this one, 108 out of 249. Our second base is going to the Green Bay Packers, Greg Jennings. Another base card. And number on this, 192 out of 299. Third base, we have Jamal Charles, and this is 114 out of 299. And oh my goodness, we're gonna save this top card for last, and you'll see why. So we'll get some base again. So here we go. We got Tyron Smith for the Dallas Cowboys. Number on this, 12 out of 50. 12 out of 50. We got another Raider. Rookie card base. Never even heard of this guy. 11 out of 100. Chimidi Chikawa. I know I'm butchering that name. But there you go, you can have a look at the name. Okay, on to our hits. Our first hit is going to Baltimore Ravens. Ed Reed, Baltimore Ravens. Number on this one, it's a patch, is going to be 8 out of 99. At the top there, 8 out of 99. Ed Reed. second hit is also a patch, going to Tennessee Titans, Chris Johnson. Number on this one, 93 out of 299. Our third hit, also going to Tennessee Titans, Akeem Ayers. Look at the number on this one. This is an autograph. 132 out of 360. There it is again. Auto. We have another auto here for the Patriots. Let's get the name on this. Marcus Cannon. Marcus Cannon for this one. So this one might actually have 6 hits. So we got 2. That's 87 out of 100. 87 out of 100. Another hit, and this one's also going to the New England Patriots. And this one is going to be Shane Vereen patch. The number on this one is 1 out of 299. So that's an eBay 101. 1 out of 299. And our last hit, and the one I said I'd save for last, and you'll see why. Here we are. Colin Kaepernick autograph patch. Colin Kaepernick autograph patch. There we are. 423 out of 499. 423 out of 499. Let's see who gets the Colin Kaepernick. NFC West. That's trimixallen. Trimixallen will get the Colin Kaepernick. Very nice looking card. So again, we got 6 hits on that one. Usually it's only 5, but got a little added bonus. So thank you all for joining, and I'll upload this soon.